girl Jelay and welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, meron naman tayong panibagong video at itong makeup look na to yung ginawa ko. This is part of our daily promotion sa Mea Domin Organics, which is yung team namin ngayon is yung 7 deadly sins na last. So kung gusto niyo malaman kung paano ko ginawa tong look na to, then just please keep on watching.
Hello everyone, so let's start doing our makeup. The first product that I will be using is this J&J Cosmetics Face Mist Spray, and I will just spray it all over my face and wait until it dries up. And for my base, I will be using this Perfume Desert Tinted Moisturizer in the shade Milk. And I will just apply it all over my face and neck. And for my concealer, I will be using this Maybelline Fit Me in the shade 25, and I will apply it under my eyes, my nose bridge, my chin, and do some spot concealing, and also on my temples and to my brow bones. And for the second time around, I will just be blending my concealer all over my face. For my brows, I will be using this KSTY Cosmetics Brow Pomade, and I will apply it all over my brows. And I will be doing the same thing on the other side. Charan! To set my face, I will be using this Coty Airspun translucent powder, and I will just apply it under my eyes, on my nose bridge, on my jawlines, chin, T-zone area, and on my temples. Eyeshadow time, I will be using this Huda Beauty Electric Obsession palette, and I will be using the color red, and I will apply it all over my crease. And to create a bolder look, I will be applying a dark colored eyeshadow to my outer corner. And to add some glam on my eyeshadow, I will be using this Mea Domina Organics Inspire Liquid Highlighter, and I will just apply it on my eyelids. For my eyeliner, I will be using this Careline Grap Ink eyeliner and I will apply it off cam. And I will just dust off all the powders on my face. And the next product that I will be using is this Careline Glow Getter palette to contour my face. Next, Careline blush in the shade Fresh Tomato. And a highlighter from Abby Cosmetics in the shade Icing. Before I forget, I will be applying falsies. And for my lips, I will be using this Maya Domina Organics Dear Matte in the shade First Kiss to have a bolder red lips. I will just finalize this look in 3, 2, 1.
So yun guys, that's all for today's video, and kung nagustuhan mo tong video na to, give this video a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and turn on the notification bell para mas maging updated ka sa mga bago ko pang parating na videos, and also don't forget to follow all my social media accounts down in the description box below. So ayun guys, thank you so much for watching and I hope to see you soon on my next one. Bye!